In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to hard reset your Cronus Zen. And you want to do this if your Cronus Zen is not responding or loading when connected via your computer. So first thing to know is that once you hard reset, all your scripts will be deleted. So I recommend you back them up if you're still able to access your Cronus in the Cronus Zen Studio application. So to hard reset it, basically all you need to do is you need to press these two buttons, and while holding the buttons, you connect the power. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. So just go ahead and press the button and then connect the cable on the back. Once you connect it, you can just go ahead and let go of the two buttons, and then you're gonna see the lights flashing like you saw there. And to confirm that everything was hard reset, you press the button on the right, and you're gonna see that there's no scripts loaded into the Cronus. All right, so that's how you hard reset the Cronus Zen. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below, and please subscribe to my channel.